You know why me a pre my boss? Lady saw give me the crown and him give me crown to the blue ear girl. And that's why me a pre my blood clot boss. But here what? Me and my boss thing different. Okay guys, hold on. I wish for this my day. I'm sure I know where my day. Thank you, my general. Them think I cap, you cap. Tell them say you never cap. I rich, you rich. So anything more you go buy me. I bought myself a X6 2025 and my boss bought me a GLE Benz. Pussy wall. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Lisa.
Come here to me. Come here to me.
Please. May I beg?
Pussy. Me say, for ring some shot over your head and bust couple shot of your ears and bust your bum buckle at ears jumbo.
May I beg you, Lisa?
Why? You know who you ramp with? And then hold you and rape you after that blood clot.
You don't have to do that, Lisa. You don't have to do that.
Behavior. Behave your blood clot self. And don't draw me out.
Please.
So me fuck up your blood clot and go court. Nothing not gonna come out of it. Me just a go plead insanity. Pussy. So you better come to me now.
I put it back. I feel this. I feel.
Come. Come to me. Come to me now. Come to me. Behave. Here. Alright. Behave your blood clot self. Member. Me mad. Member. Me have me certificate. Member. Me drink the sweet Milo tea.
Please. Lisa, may I beg you?
Behave. And hurry up and come to me here. Don't make me have to find you, because I will find you. I know exactly where you are. Hurry up and come to me. Me I wait. Me I wait. Me I go save you. Me nah go no more. Because you're my husband, you know.